Hello everyone, it's pudding time. Who doesn't like a pudding? Okay, I've got two hungry men here waiting for some dessert. In my good old freezer, I always have puff pastry. Some of you may know I've mentioned this before. I absolutely love keeping puff pastry in the freezer. So tonight I thought, oh God, I've got nothing in to do them. I had one cooking apple. I always have in the store cupboard raisins. There's always lemons in the fridge. So I thought, right, okay. I'm doing kind of an apple strudel, but using puff pastry instead of phyllo. Phyllo I love, but it takes more time. I don't have any in. And I'm making it kind of like an open tart. Now, I've got to be honest, I tried one earlier just to see if it would work, and it did. And I was so pleased with it that that's what we're having for pudding tonight. So let's crack on. So in these, hang on, I will show you. I've got rectangles cut of puff pastry. It's frozen. It was frozen. It's a sheet, and you just cut a nice little rectangle that will fit in. But as you can see, I've put the indent round that will give you the sides to keep your apples in. Okay. In this one is the apple mix. It's one cooking apple. It's a tablespoonful of really good quality sultanas or raisins. It's a spoonful of fresh lemon juice, and it's the zest of one lemon. It's a tablespoonful of brown demerara sugar, and it's also got a teaspoonful of cinnamon and a teaspoonful of freshly ground nutmeg. And you combine it all together, mix it all up, and then you just put it in. And what I'm going to do is, when we're into probably just over halfway of the cooking, I stop it and I'm drizzling honey on it. Okay, which makes it even more wonderful. Okay, right, so let's go. This is tricky though, and I couldn't think of a way around it because my brain stopped thinking. I'm so tired tonight. So you just got to fit your bits of apple onto this. Any that goes over there you've got to pick up and put back on. They're chopped up tiny, folks, because they're going to have to cook in the time that they're in there. You don't want big fat crunchy bits of apple. So it's tiny little chopped up pieces of apple. Oh Lord, sending them everywhere. Anything I've got left over in the apple mix is just going into a ramekin with a very quick oaty crumble mix on the top, and that'll be for tomorrow as an apple crumble. You could do this with, it's rhubarb season. I've seen the most amazing rhubarb in the supermarket. I just wished I'd thought to buy some in Waitrose, but I didn't. Right, okay. But rhubarb in this would work. Plums do amazing this type of thing. And you can make like a frangipane topping and just pour it over your plums, and it'll sit there. If it's thick enough, it'll sit there on the top, and you get these amazing flavours of almonds and plums going on. Right, and I'm going to put them on bake. My original one took 14 minutes, so I'll put these on 14 minutes. I'll turn up the heat. It's bake at 160. I need it hotter than that. I think because it's puff pastry, I went for 190. And time wise, 15. Let's just leave it at 15. I'll sync that up. I'll match. Yep, there we go, and we're away. Hopefully very soon. I'm going to serve them with a really nice creme fraiche, so I'll show you that shortly. Okay, see you in a few minutes. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, look guys, look, just a little drizzle. Okay, it's got just under 5 minutes to go, and hopefully then they'll be ready to eat and as delicious as the test one that I tried. They're looking and smelling absolutely delicious, so fingers crossed. Just going to add a sprinkle of brown sugar over the top of those sultanas as well, just to make sure we've got a lovely syrupy, sticky mix, I should say, going on. And I was telling you guys about the creme fraiche I'm going to use. This is my favourite. I can't pronounce it, so just have a look at it. I don't speak French. I speak English, sadly. But that is delicious, really, really good quality. Okay, these have come out and they are so beautiful. I'm just going to put a lovely blob of creme fraiche on the side there, and that looks lovely. Now on Owen's, I'm going to put him, because he loves a bit of squirty cream. Now that's a boy's dessert, isn't it? Okay, these smell and absolutely look lovely. So give them a try, folks. It's such a good way of just turning out a dessert quickly without much stress, and not using, there was only one cooking apple and I've got enough left to make 2 little crumbles for tomorrow evening. So win-win, 1 cooking apple goes a long way. Okay, hope you give it a try. Super easy, super stress-free. See you soon. Bye for now.